What's up? What's up? It's your girl Elle with Let's Fit, and today I want to share with you the top 5 foods of how you can decrease your belly fat and prepare in advance for this holiday season. Because I know you were not looking to put on those extra 10 to 15 pounds, and so today I'm going to share the top foods to help avoid that. These are foods that you're going to want to enjoy, if not daily, at least weekly. So let's dive in. 1, avocados. I love avocados. So why avocados? Well, avocados are a nutrient powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, antioxidants, but also they are a natural diuretic that's going to help eliminate that excess sodium from the body and reduce water retention. Side note, more sodium equals more body fat because it holds on to liquids in the body and you want to release that. So avocados are gonna help that. And even if you don't enjoy avocados daily, you can definitely incorporate them into your daily nutrition routine by adding them to your smoothie, on toast, in a salad, in a soup, and ice cream. I mean, there's so many ways to enjoy avocados, and not to mention guacamole. Next, nuts. Nuts are a great antioxidant filled with fiber, nutrients, minerals, magnesium. These are an awesome plant protein as well, and it will help with not only your physical health, but your mental health and your sleep, and it will help lower your BMI and your blood pressure. And nuts you can eat on their own, you can sprinkle on salads, you can add to your smoothie, you can even add it to stir fries. There's so many things you can do with nuts if you're not allergic. Third, lentils. Lentils are another great plant protein, high in fiber and antioxidants, also vitamins and minerals. They help lower your cholesterol and they help support a regular bowel movement. So for those of you who might be irregular, eat some lentils. These are great. You can replace meat with lentils, you can add them to soups, to salads, or you can just enjoy on their own. Next, whole grains. Despite the fear of everyone saying carbs are bad, listen y'all, carbs are actually really good for the body and they're going to actually help reduce body fat and specifically belly fat. So you definitely want to enjoy more. My favorite go-to is quinoa, which you can get from Costco. And instead of, again, shunning away all carbs and all grains, you want to consume moderate amounts that are in line with your energy demands. Meaning if you're less active, you're going to have a smaller portion. If you're more active, you're going to have a larger portion. And instead of just quinoa, you can enjoy oats at breakfast. You can do quinoa with your stir fries. You can enjoy brown or wild rice or homemade popcorn, which I love to enjoy at night. Lastly, my favorite, wild salmon. So I don't have an example to show you, but you can see a picture right here. I literally enjoy salmon almost every day, weekly, on a weekly basis. Me and my fiance, we absolutely love it. We cook it, we saute it, we tuna it. Well, not tuna it, is that what you call it? So let's dive into the benefits of salmon. Well, 1, salmon is a great provider of vitamin D, and vitamin D supports so many functions within the body, and with your immune system, your bone density, along with your mental health. And actually, research has proven that if you include more salmon and vitamin D into the body, it actually helps decrease visceral body fat within men and women. And salmon can be enjoyed in so many ways. You can bake it in the oven with some delicious seasoning, and then you can enjoy it on the side with some quinoa and some avocado and sprinkle with some nuts, and there you go, you got 4 of your ingredients right there. So there's so many ways you can enjoy it: breakfast, lunch, dinner, salad, pasta. The recipes are endless. And so just to recap what the 5 foods are for decreasing your belly fat, you want to be enjoying avocados, lentils, whole grains, nuts, and wild salmon. If you incorporate all these foods within your daily routine, or if not daily, at least throughout the week, you're definitely going to see a change in your body and your energy and your mood and your sleep and your health holistically. So I hope that you found this video very useful, helpful, and insightful. And please share below what food you are going to start incorporating this week into your nutrition routine. So until the next video, please like, please share, please save, and I'll see you in the next video.